So you've been charged with leaving the scene of an accident in New Jersey. What happens now? If a driver knows they were involved in an accident and anyone is killed or injured, you must stop, stay, and help. If you leave, the penalties are significant. A fine of $2,500 to $5,000, jail up to 180 days, license loss 1 year for a first offense, and permanent loss for a second offense. This is one of the few traffic offenses that can permanently end your ability to drive in New Jersey. If only property damage or vehicle damage occurs, or if the accident involved only cars or property with no injuries, the penalties for a first offense are also significant. $200 to $400 in fines, up to 30 days in jail with a 6-month driving privilege suspension. A second offense is a $400 to $600 fine, 30 to 90 days in jail, and a 1-year suspension. Even a parking lot accident can suspend your license. What must you do after any accident? You must give your name and your address, show your license and your registration, give info to the police, witnesses, and other drivers. Help injured people and get medical help. If police aren't present, report it immediately. Failure to do so can trigger these hit and run charges. You don't get to claim, "I didn't know." The law creates automatic assumptions if anyone is injured or the damage is $250 or more. The court then presumes you knew you were involved in an accident, even if you say you didn't. And it is not a defense that the driver was unaware of the existence or the extent of the injury or the damage. That means, "I thought it was just a bump," or "I didn't see the damage," or "I didn't realize they were hurt," usually does not protect you. Police can legally assume you were the driver. If your car was involved and you're the registered owner, it's presumed that you were the driver. If it's rented or leased, the renter or the lessee is presumed to have been the driver. The burden shifts to the defense to prove otherwise. Destroying or hiding evidence is a separate crime. If someone hides damage, deletes video, or protects the driver's identity, it carries a $250 to $1,000 fine and can be used to strengthen the hit and run case. Leaving the scene of an accident cases are dangerous. The statute allows for presumption against the driver, allows for license forfeiture, allows for jail, and allows for permanent loss of driving privileges. Prosecutors love these cases because they don't have to prove you intended to flee. They only have to prove or to show you knew there was an accident. You're facing points, suspension, and jail. One mistake can cost you everything. My name is Edward Appel. I've been practicing law since 1988, and I'd like to help you. If you have questions or would like to take advantage of my representation, please do not hesitate to call for a free consultation.